Welcome back everybody to another episode of Rolling Into Money. I'm changing up the angle a little bit today, and I'm super excited to dive right into today's topic. So I have a coworker at work, his name is Gabe, shout out to him, but he asked me a question the other day after he started seeing my videos of, is a security deposit the same thing as a savings account? Now, I'd never really thought of it in terms like that before, but he was moving into a new apartment, and I'm actually moving into a new apartment soon here, but he had to lay down a pretty significant security deposit. And so he asked me, is the security deposit the same thing as a savings account? And would I put that in kind of my emergency fund category? I thought about it for a couple seconds and I came up with the answer no. I don't think that it would be the same as a savings account or an emergency fund. But I did think that there was some sort of category that it was other than either of those things. I wouldn't use it in terms of an emergency fund because it's not accessible, but I really look at it more as a 0% interest CD. Now, if you don't know what a CD is, it stands for a certificate of deposit. CDs are issued by banks, usually, and they normally have a set interest rate or APR of normally 2% to 5%, depending on how the federal interest rate is at the time. But the difference is you have to lock up your money for a specific interval of time in order to get that return. So most CDs, it's 11 months, maybe 1 year, 2 years, even 3-year CDs, and each of these have varying rates of interest, 1%, 2%, 3%, 5%. The reason that I look at a security deposit more as a 0% interest CD, even though it's not with a bank, is because you're locking up that money for a specific interval of time. For me, it's going to be 13 months because that's my lease. For some people, it's going to be 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, however long you're going to stay in whatever apartment or house that you're renting. But you aren't able to access that money. There's no liquidity to it. So I wouldn't put it in terms of an emergency fund. Now, for me personally, I wouldn't put that in my personal financial equation. The reason for that is, first, I can't access the money when I need to access the money. 2, there's going to be the opportunity that I lose that money if I trash the place or if I have to end my lease early. And 3, it's not in any sort of account that I would want it to be in. It's not an interest-bearing savings account or a checking account, and there's no accessibility like I said earlier. So for those reasons, I really wouldn't put a security deposit in the same realm as a savings account, even though it is money that you could say that you're saving because it's money that is somewhere that you own. I really appreciated getting this question because I love answering people's questions on personal finance, money, all things of that nature. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me in the comment section below. DM me on Instagram, hit me up on Facebook, and go check out my new website. Right now it's just anthonybedanza.wordpress.com, but starting in August, I'm actually going to own that domain, anthonybedanza.com, and you can just check me out there. So if it's past August 2019 and you're watching this video, just go check out anthonybedanza.com. Please don't forget to like this video and hit a comment down below. It really helps my videos and YouTube's algorithm to know that you appreciate my content and you want more people to be able to see it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I really appreciate you guys stopping by. Have a great day and a bright financial future.